welcome back to my channel. I'm Holly and this is Simply Holly. If you're a new subscriber or if you haven't yet subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Maybe watch a few videos and then make the decision on whether or not you want to be a subscriber. And if you're a current subscriber, thank you guys so much. I appreciate you more than you'll ever know. I truthfully enjoy all the comments and I do my best to get to every single comment. So today I have for you a Nadine West unbagging, my pretty pink bag. I'm a little backed up on Nadine West. I don't know. I have some personal stuff that's going on, so that's another video probably after this one comes out so that you guys will understand exactly what's going on in my crazy life. So let's get into this bag. I didn't even open it. I've had this thing for like 4 days and I haven't even opened it. So, and if any of you do subscribe to Nadine West, you know what a challenge it can be to get into this bag sometimes. So I'm trying to get the tape off. Oh goodness. All right. All right, now come on. I just got an email from Nadine West and they're ready to send me out another bag. I just sent one back and I'm trying to open this one and I got another one coming. Goodness gracious. I think I should change the shipment frequency because I get them like every 2 weeks. And I don't know why I did that. But I love Nadine West. I think that it's the most affordable clothing subscription service. Their customer service is through the roof and the stars and the moon. They have the best customer service representatives I have ever had the pleasure of dealing with and since I've started all this. So I highly suggest Nadine West, and you can sign up, do a short little survey, style survey, and you pay $9.78 for the bag to get shipped to you, but that $9.78 does go towards anything you want in the bag. And if you don't like anything in the bag, you can email them and they will give you just one rollover. But usually I find at least one thing in the bag every single time. So that, I do love that about Nadine West. Their clothes are phenomenal. I like them. I can use them. I am a housewife. I don't work outside of the home. I haven't. My husband, he works. He has a very good job, and I'm disabled. I cannot work. So this is my job, bringing videos to you guys, and I truthfully love it. It has brought me out of a very hard battle of depression. So this is why I do this, because you guys, because I love you guys and you guys make it all worth it. So I'm going to show you my bundle, and it comes in this pretty pink, and then this protects the clothing. And let's take it out of this plastic, and there's my bundle. Oh, I think I see something I might like. I don't own a shirt like that. I don't own a color like that. Let's tear this open. I have my price list right here. Let's see. Oh, not bad. All right. And it always comes with this cute little sticker, Nadine West. Let's get this bag open. Okay, right on top is, this top is by Mallory. No, wait. No, it's Zanana Premium, and it's called Mallory. It's in a green, and this is $24.49. And generally, you get a lot of these. Oh, look at that detail. Oh, goodness. Look at that detail. Oh, my goodness. I love that. You guys will be able to see it better on me, but this side, and you can see that it goes down. It's kind of scalloped at the bottom. It is so soft. It is so soft. Oh, I love this color. I love this color. Oh my goodness, I do love this color. The buttons are down both sides, as you can see there. It may be a little big, but I'm gonna put some leggings on to wear this because I love this color. This color is, it says green, but it's more, I don't know, olive maybe? Oh, this is so cute. So cute. Okay, next one is by Hippie Chick. And it says it is a JC top gold floral. And this one is $34.49. But look at those colors. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Looks like a, oh my goodness. I love this color. Maybe. There's the back. And it's got a rounded hem. Looks like a quarter of a sleeve, but that is it. It is, like I said, by Hippie Chick. This is a new brand for me in Nadine West. I haven't seen that brand, but this is really cute. What do you guys think of this color? I don't know. I don't know about this color on me with my red hair. Well, it kind of looks brown right now, but time for another color. Oh, I like this. I like this. This is beautiful. I never used to wear florals. I have florals on today. I never used to wear florals until I started doing subscription boxes. I feel like it has definitely brought me out of my comfort zone as far as florals. I always used to think that florals were for like my grandmother, not for me. But now my grandma was right. I can wear florals and be happy about it. I think this is beautiful. Okay, our last piece, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I just love that. That is absolutely beautiful. Joggers. They are joggers. Just plain black joggers with the, oh, is that elastic? Oh no, they feel like jammies. They do have a little stretch to them. And they feel like jammies. They're pretty big. Let's see if we get, ooh, and we got pockets too. It does have the tie front on it. And this is by Shosho. And I'm trying to see the size because they do look kind of big. 2X. And these are $22.49 for these. They're just black joggers. I don't have any joggers. I tend to stay away from sweatpants because I feel like it adds pounds. So we'll see how they look on though. I do like the fact they do have pockets. I do like that. A lot of my gym wear, I have to have pockets because I for some reason I can't go to the gym without pockets. I don't know why. Not like I'm carrying snacks in there or something, you know, but try these on and see how they look. I like these too, although I'm only 5'6", and these are, yeah. I don't know, they might look cute on. We are going to find out how these look on. Okay guys, I will be right back with the try on. I hope that you've enjoyed thus far of the video. And before I go to try on any clothes, consider hitting that subscribe button. Either way, you're going to see the try on, but I just thought I would remind you. Okay, I'll be right back with the try on. Okay guys, I super am in love with this shirt. I don't know about the jogger, so okay, I'm going to show you the shirt first. It's really nice. I like how it goes up here. It just kind of, I don't know, I kind of like it. And it's nice and flowy. I like it. It covers the booty. Definitely covers the booty. I like it. What do you guys think? I kind of like it. I like how it goes up here. Kind of gives you a little bit of a definition, you know, kind of, I don't know, kind of. Okay, I will bring it down a little bit, hopefully, so you can see the joggers. But there's the joggers. They're black, so they're kind of hard to see, but there's lots and lots and lots and lots of room in here. So, yeah, I like these two with this shirt because it covers my booty up. That's why I think I like it. Don't mind the TV over there. I'm watching Alaskan Bush People. I don't know anybody else that likes that show, but I do like that show. Okay. Now I'm going to try on the other shirt and see what we think about that shirt. Let me know about this one. What do you guys think of this one? I kind of like it. It's growing on me. I like that detail. That is really cute detail. And how it goes into a scallop. It's a really cute detail. And it's not clingy. It just is, it's nice. Okay, be right back with. Okay, it's a little low cut, but only when I bend over. But let me know what you guys think about this color on me. What do you think? I don't know if it flatters me or it doesn't flatter me, so let me know in the comments. Okay, here's this shirt. I kind of like this shirt. I kind of like it. It's not too tight. It shows off the good aspects. It's longer in the back, but I mean, I think that I would kind of wear it kind of like this, though. You know, not so form-fitting. What do you guys think? You like the shirt? Yes, no, maybe, throw it in the garbage. Let me know. The shirt is growing on me. And I have never in my life worn this color before, but this color, it is awesome. I think that I'm liking this color. Matter of fact, I think I'm gonna keep it on. Well, a recap. Okay, I will be right. Hey guys, I'm back. So, what did you think about the try-on? I have to tell you that I like this shirt. I really like this shirt. I never thought that I could wear this color. And that's the thing with clothing subscription boxes. It takes you out of your comfort zone. It lets you try things in the comfort of your own home. And you'd be surprised what you thought in the store didn't work. But when you try it on at home, it works. I like this color on me. I think it looks absolutely awesome. And this shirt is $34.99. Now that is a bit pricey, I will say that. I don't normally pay $35 for a shirt, but I also have $10 for the shipping that you pay, so it'll only be $25 shirt. So that seems a little bit more reasonable to me. So I really think I want to keep the shirt. You guys, I need your help. I will say this, the joggers are gonna go back. I don't tend to wear sweatpants at all because I don't feel like sweatpants should be a part of daily wear. Sweatpants to me are for the gym and sitting around the house and relaxing in front of the TV with a movie. That's sweatpant material to me. So I tend to live by that. I don't wear sweatpants outside of the home unless I'm going to the gym. And trust you me, I have enough leggings that I could probably clothe about 30 people with, you know, athletic wear. A girl has to have choices now. My husband doesn't understand that, but I don't want to go to the gym looking like a bum. I want to go, you know, looking like I came there to handle some business. So that's what I go as. So the joggers, to me, I mean, I own joggers, but I very seldom wear them, and that concerns me. That if I pay, what is it, $22, $23 for joggers that I can go to Walmart and get for $10. They're good quality. They are good quality, but I don't personally wear them enough to warrant spending $23 on a pair of joggers. But this shirt right here, I'm keeping. I love this shirt. This shirt is, it makes me feel beautiful. And that's what a girl needs. Clothes that make her feel like a princess. And this one makes me feel pretty, so I'm gonna keep this one. And the green one, this one's gonna go back. I checked and I have like 5 of these style shirts in the same color. So this one will have to go back. Unfortunately, it is very cute and pretty and soft, and I would love to make it stay here and have a home with me, but I have 5 of their brother and sisters here already in the same exact style and color. So this shirt is the one I am keeping, so that you know, and you may see me wearing it in a future video because I love it. And if I wear it too much, you guys tell me take the damn thing off because you're wearing it out. Okay guys, that's it for me. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I look forward to making you another video. And don't forget to check out my other videos. I appreciate you guys, and I look forward to hearing your comments on this video, because I definitely think, no, I know I'm keeping this shirt and the rest is going back. So let me know what you would keep if you were me. Let me know what you thought about how the joggers looked on me, and tell me, please tell me if I'm making a mistake keeping this color shirt, or does it look okay on me. Okay guys, that is it. I'm out of here. Bye now.